Hi everyone, today we have an exciting product to review, the Poly Voyager 360 Plus earbuds. These sleek and wireless earbuds are the latest addition to the Poly Voyager series. We'll explore the features and performance of the earbuds in this video today. First impressions matter, and the Poly Voyager 360 certainly delivers. These earbuds are modern and compact, and the headphones feature an ergonomic design with soft gel tips, allowing for extended wear without irritation. Now, the charging case is not exactly pocket-friendly compared to others on the market, but that is due to the built-in screen on the charging case, which shows the charge level, pairing status, battery status, and the volume adjustment. It even provides a QR code that you can scan with your phone to get the user guide and streamline the setup process. The case has a magnetic lid that securely holds the earbuds in place and doubles as a portable charger. With the case, you can enjoy up to 12 hours of total listening time, which is perfect for those on the go. The Poly Voyager 360 Plus has intuitive, touch-sensitive buttons on each earbud, allowing you to easily control your music playback, adjust the volume, and answer or end calls. The touch controls are responsive and convenient, making it a breeze to navigate through your audio experience. Connectivity-wise, these earbuds have Bluetooth 5.3 technology, providing a stable and seamless connection with your devices. These Plus editions also come with a USB Bluetooth dongle that allows you to connect to a laptop or desktop, which I really like, and there's an option for USB-A or USB Type-C dongle. What's more intriguing is that the earbuds come with a USB Type-C to 3.5mm cable, and this turns the case into a wireless transmitter, and the ideal use case is when you're on a plane, you can watch movies or listen to music without bringing an extra pair of wired headphones. One notable feature of the Poly Voyager 360 is the built-in microphone. To give you a better idea of the mic quality, all the voiceover so far were done with the earbuds. The microphone also has noise cancelling capabilities, which I will now test out by putting on some background music. This is what the Poly Voyager 360 captures with its mic while background music is playing. This is what a standard laptop captures with its mic while music is playing in the background. As you can tell, the Voyager 360s filters out much more background noise compared to a laptop mic, therefore highlighting the user's voice. To wrap it up, the Poly Voyager 360 offers an excellent combination of style, comfort, and impressive audio performance. With its sleek design, reliable connectivity, and convenient features, these earbuds are worth considering for anyone looking for a business, professional wireless audio solution. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and updates. See you next time!